Hi everyone, welcome to Lex with RK. In this video, we will be creating a glow effect in Photoshop. It might be on any object, stroke, text or neon text like this. And I'll be bringing new videos every week, so that please subscribe. Okay, let's open our Photoshop file. Then simply drag your photo into Photoshop. Click here to unlock this. Then I'll be cropping the image. This light and below part is unnecessary. Perfect. Now let's duplicate this layer like this. Okay, then now go to select and here color range. With the eyedropper, select this yellow color and eyedropper plus to select multiple shades of it. You can see your selection here. Let's click on OK. Now it's selected. Let's take lasso tool now and make sure it is in subtract here. Now mark this unwanted area. Let's deselect this person too, so that we can give additional glow later. Here to make more selections, I'll select selection tool and close these white gaps too. By pressing Alt key, you can deselect with this tool. I'll deselect this below part too. So this was a tiny part to teach you how to use color range, lasso tool and selection tool. I know this helps you later. So let's continue then. Once this selection is done, press Ctrl J. It will be like this. Okay, let's duplicate this layer and change its blending mode to linear dodge. Right click on this layer and convert it to smart object. Now go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. Fill in the radius to 10. Now duplicate this layer and click on Gaussian blur effect. Change its radius to 100. Duplicate again and change it to 250 now. Again duplicate and change that to 500. Let's select all these layers and group it. I am renaming it as glow. Now to the below layer, select it and go to adjustment layer. Then color lookup. Click here to clip it and select Moonlight 3D. That's it, already it's glowing, but we are not finished yet. Now zoom in and select this layer. Go to selection tool and take quick selection tool. Here I am selecting this person's coat now. Now select this mask and make sure the foreground color is black. Select brush tool by pressing alphabet B. And I am using this soft edge brush. Check the brush size and do it as I do. You can press these symbols to increase or decrease the brush size, or press Alt key, right click and drag. Here you can decrease the opacity of the brush tool and follow me as I do. This is cool, but there should be a glow in between these chairs too. Okay then, let's see how it looks. This is before and this is after. So, you have learned how to give glow on any object by using several tools obviously. Now, it's time to give some glow on text like this. Now I'll create a new layer and go to text. I'm writing music here. Let's increase the size here, or we can transform it by pressing Ctrl T. Let's keep it here. Perfect. I'll duplicate this and keep it here. I'm writing on my mind. Now in layer panel, bring the music layer on top and duplicate it. Now right click on it and convert to Smart Object. Let's change its blending mode to Linear Dodge. Now in filter, blur and Gaussian blur. Set it to 10. Now duplicate, double click here and change it to 100. Again duplicate and change it to 250. Let's group these layers now. Now let's click here on this and change its color. Maybe I'll be keeping red for now. I'll bring this on top. Let's change its color again. Maybe this blue. Now in this group, click on this smart object. Here you can change the text color as same we did there. Now press Ctrl S to save. If you can see, it reflects in our original page. Then we created glow on object and text. Now it's time to glow on strokes. I'm adding a new layer and taking pen tool. Let's draw a triangle like this. Now right click on the last point and choose stroke path. Now go to FX and choose stroke. Let's keep white color here and set the size to 27 or maybe 25 looks fine. And make sure position is in center. Let me zoom in and take eraser tool. I'll erase the line which is on his face. This looks cool. Now we'll duplicate this layer and convert it to smart object. Now click on it. And here click on stroke, then change its color as we did earlier. I think you know better to set Gaussian blur as we did earlier. Now let's bring this pillow layer on top and see how cool this would be. Amazing. And the last step on this image layer, go to adjustment and choose color lookup. I'm choosing 3 strip look, which gives a massive color impact on this image. Or you can give a gradient map as you wish. Glow effect is a very special one, especially if it's a neon sign or text. I am excited to create one, so let's get into it. So here, go to adjustment layer and solid color. Then I am using a dark blue color as its background. Now bring a new layer and go to text. I'm writing neon. Make sure you are using a bold font to give this effect. Let's align this to center. Now reduce the fill to 0%. And here in effects, choose stroke. Change its color to white and size to 3. Hit enter or click OK. Duplicate this layer and double click on the stroke in the below layer. Set the size to 6 and change the color to highly saturated one. I am choosing green here. This is already looking like a neon sign. Now let's duplicate this below layer which has green color. Right click and change it to smart object. Then repeat the blur process. Let's group this and I am duplicating it by pressing Alt key. You can keep your text however you want. And make sure you watch my videos every week. It's not late, still you can subscribe, it's free. And not me, but YouTube keeps a count on it. So that's it for today. And before I end this video, I would like to say, please share this video to the one who is willing to learn. Thank you.